Social media education by Training Cambodia. Social media is an online platform where we can share thoughts, information, pictures, and videos. We all use it in our day-to-day life. It has become an integral part of our lives. There are various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and blah blah blah. We all use them to communicate and socialize locally as well as globally. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. I would like to mention advantages of social media first. The biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our thoughts and ideas with people across the world. Now even a common man can express his opinion on any national or international issue. Another benefit of social media is that people can showcase their talent on this platform. Many people have gained fame by showing their talent through social media. It is also helping people to earn money. People sell a lot of things like clothes, books, electronic items through social media. Social media is also used to create awareness among people. People with good knowledge about topics like health or nutrition use this platform to create awareness among people. Now I would like to talk about the drawbacks of social media. Addiction is the biggest drawback of social media. People have got used to of checking their social media accounts every now and then. They spend a lot of time in checking various posts on social media. Spending a lot of time on social media also brings a lot of health disorders like stress, anxiety, and sleeplessness. Another drawback of social media is that we cannot trust all the information available here. Some information can be true while some can be fake. At times, false news spread like wildfire through his platform. Our personal information becomes easily available to many on the net. Hence, we need to stay alert from hackers. Apart from this, cyberbullying is another major drawback of social media. Some people post negative and hate comments on others' accounts and harass them. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. The advantages like socializing has made our life simpler and convenient. There are some disadvantages too. We need to use this platform wisely and in a limited way so that we can make the most out of this new platform. With this, I end my speech. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful time.